Hey, how's everybody doing today? This is Mike Craig of Flork MD. I'm showing you the latest improvement I made to my Airhog. What you're looking at is an exhaust port that I mounted out the side instead of routing out the bottom. And the reason I did that, well, pay attention to this noise and it'll explain it. Now, with the hole out the side, you could simply install an easy muffler. Just slides right in there. It's one of those mufflers for a central vacuuming system. I reused a muffler, or the vacuum rubber boot that was factory. It just easily slides right in there. Now pay attention to how quiet it is. Very simple to do, just two PVC elbows, cut a hole in the side, and you're done.